To integrate SendPulse email marketing with HubSpot, you can follow these general steps. Ensure you have accounts with both SendPulse and HubSpot. If not, sign up for them. You can use the link in the description to try both of these platforms. Log in to your SendPulse account. Navigate to the API section or settings to generate an API key. This key will be needed to connect SendPulse with other platforms. Log in to your HubSpot account. Go to the integrations section or search for the SendPulse integration. Follow the prompts to connect your SendPulse account by providing the API key. Grant HubSpot permission to access your SendPulse account. This step ensures that HubSpot can communicate with SendPulse on your behalf. Once the integration is set up, you may have options to sync data between HubSpot and SendPulse. Configure these options based on your needs. Common data syncing includes contacts, email campaigns, and performance metrics. Send a test email campaign from HubSpot to ensure that it's successfully delivered through SendPulse. Check if contacts are being synced accurately between both platforms. Regularly monitor the integration to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the documentation provided by SendPulse and HubSpot or contact their support teams for assistance. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try both of these platforms.